What is going on YouTube? Hannah Mac making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, the S&P 500 is closed for this weekend, but it does open on Monday, tomorrow morning. So we're going to see what exactly plays out. The goal here, fingers crossed, is that the markets actually decide to pump up to the upside here just a little bit, and allow us to actually get back above our major support. This is kind of vital for us because if we don't do that, the next run to the downside, or the next run we have for the S&P is going to be to the downside, which is unfortunate. Basically, reversing all the possible, momentum to the upside that we had, or reversing everything that we had that was positive here. We had extremely bullish rally to the upside here, and then we immediately reversed downwards. It's unfortunate. Nobody wanted to see this happen here. There's a lot of things that could play out. It could be a double bottom, so on and so forth. Hopefully it's not. I'm hoping we reverse up from here and move to the upside here, but we're not going to know until later on. But you can see here the original break that we had, the run to the upside that we had, which started I guess you could say back in June here, but we can pull it here too, was about a 15% rally to the upside here, and now we've managed to correct down about 10%, almost, removing the whole thing or reversing the whole thing. Sorry, it's early here, 6:30 in the morning here. But we are reversing all the way back down, which is not something we want to see. So the goal is that starting Monday, tomorrow, next week, we actually manage to rally up. And I'm hoping that's what happens here, because not only is the S&P pretty darn low and pretty much near its major support, we have one last chance here, but most of the major cryptocurrencies are too. You can see XRP is pretty much nearing the bottom where its supports are right here. And so is Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty much nearing the bottom where its supports are too, and it's holding on for dear life. Not much movement within Ethereum, not much movement within Bitcoin over this weekend. The only thing that did see a big movement was XRP. Quite shockingly, nobody was really, some people are going to say they were expecting it. I read the comments here. And also for those that missed my last video here, all comments are now held for review since I am trying to postpone or limit the amount of negative scam-like comments here and people trying to impersonate me. So I've managed to, I paused all comments, so all comments are hidden, and I have to manually approve and go through dozens of comments to approve every single one. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm really trying to look out for you guys. Don't want anybody getting scammed, and it was really pissing me off seeing the amount of bots. I've tried everything, but this is how it's going to be, unfortunately, until YouTube gets a hand on it. But we're also going to be looking at XRP, which saw this beautiful break to the upside here. Some people were saying this was called for, others were saying it's not. I'm just saying, when you looked at Bitcoin corrected to the downside, Ethereum corrected to the downside. We didn't see any rally to the upside, and we had a very similar pattern with Bitcoin and Ethereum as did XRP. So I wasn't expecting a big moonshot like we're seeing right now, a substantial rally to the upside here. You can see the price range here was from 32 cents. We hit a top at 39 cents. It was a 20% rally over the weekend, which is incredible. So we are going to be looking at that a little bit more later on in today's video. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. So guys, as you can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies look okay, up 0.73%. As you can see here, 24 hours, we're not doing too bad. It's just XRP that's exploding to the upside here. Now, if you guys know and you guys think you have the main reason as to why we're seeing XRP explode to the upside, defying all the other cryptocurrencies, please let me know down in the comments. I had some people saying that, all these other channels were calling the XRP breakout here. That's great that they are mind readers, but I'd love to hear it from you as to how you guys are fortune tellers can figure out that this rally was going to come. And I'll give you guys my perspective on it in a second here, but everything else is pretty much consolidating, if not down over the week. Now, moving forward, you can see it's just XRP that's seemingly starting to correct, and you can't really notice it on the daily. We had a beautiful ascending, and pause. So it's interesting. I'm actually quite excited to see this. So we had a descending fractal here on XRP, and we broke bullish. And I was like, wow, we look really good, but this is not target. We could go back in the past, my videos. I said target was up here. Target was up here. We had this major descending fractal, and we only shot up this much. I was like, that's not it. That can't be everything. That's so small. We had an ascending fractal, which had a major break to the downside here. That was accurate. We had a descending fractal. We had this minute break to the upside. I was like, that's not accurate. This is weird. But then we started to correct downwards because of the manipulation with inflation, August inflation here. And I was like, dang, that's, unfortunate. But all the other cryptocurrencies fell to that too. They're all seeing it. But then over the past couple of days, we hit some sort of bottom and we exploded the upside. So it's incredible that we managed to see this beautiful bullish run, but it completes the original thought that I had, which is this is target. Target was 39.40 cents. I got to go back and find a previous video and show you guys that this is the target that I said, because it's clear as day and it's literally what we expected and explained and we're waiting for, and here we are hitting it. So I'm very, very, very excited to see that happen. Hopefully we can close above here. This is huge. This is huge for XRP, so I'm quite excited. But I was wondering, why did this actually happen? Why did we rally up, rally down, rally up? So I was like, I'm not seeing much on the daily or the 4 hour. I jumped to the 1 hour, and here we are with the descending fractal. This kind of is the reason why we saw that. You can clearly see where we kind of ping-ponged off this. We had bottom support, top resistance, support, resistance, supports, boom, confirmed closure above here, rally. So it is imminent. It is clear. This makes sense. You know, it's hard to be looking at, you know, I'm trying to make a video on the S&P 500, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, looking at their weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly charts. It's a lot to go through and a lot to compact into a 10-minute video, which I'm trying to do for you guys. But this is incredible. You know, it's absolutely incredible, but now we're nearing overbought, so hopefully we can correct a little bit and consolidate. But you can clearly see this descending fractal too. Like we had a major one right here. This is a major descending fractal, which broke as bullish. Then we had a much smaller one, but you can see this is the reason why we had the bullish rally. I mean, we could, if we saw this a little earlier, we could have easily called this, you know, this bump or this pump to happen here, because it's a clear descending fractal with a bullish bias, and you can clearly see where its top resistance is and where its bottom support is, which is pretty incredible. It's really incredible, actually. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful textbook ascending fractal. You just have to catch these. That's really all it is. It's a beautiful one. I know a lot of you guys did. You guys actually took advantage of it on BitYard. I saw a lot of you guys message me that you took advantage of it. You know, for those that are new, or sorry, for those that are new to my channel or to BitYard, or for those that have been a continued, you know, subscriber here and just haven't been familiar with BitYard and don't plan to use it, let me just explain what it is. It's a crypto leveraging website. Pretty much my number one leveraging go-to website that I like to use here on the channel. And the reason being is because they offer XRP, which is unlike many exchanges here. XRP right here, you would click on derivatives, go to CFDs, and then click on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. Then you get the whole chart of all these altcoins that you can use, or major blue chip altcoins. Then you can go to innovation, tons of smaller altcoins here. The best part is, and this is why I recommend it, is because if you don't want to trade with real crypto, you have but you want to trade, you have nothing to lose by using their demo account. Completely free. You get $100,000 in play money, simulation money, monopoly money right here. We traded a little bit, got it up a couple $100, but just to show you guys what it is. So you can make you can practice your skills, learn. If you can get half a dozen trades right in a row, 10 trades right in a row, 5 trades right in a row, or you get 3 wrong or 8 wrong in a row, then you kind of know where you are in the markets here, and it's a good way to gauge your skills before you actually use real crypto, which is awesome. So if you guys want to check this out, link is down in the description below, and when you do sign up, click mystery box to get some free cryptocurrency right here. Now moving forward, you can see, I mean, this is just a beautiful ascending fractal, a clear bull rally to the upside here. Bullish, 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 boom. Pretty incredible. 4 hour, it's a little harder to see. It's a lot smaller, but you can still see the bullish run. We are hitting overbought, so I'm hoping we just consolidate a little bit. But I'm really waiting to see if this will foreshadow what's going to happen with Ethereum. Is this going to foreshadow a rally? Is Bitcoin going to foreshadow a rally? That's the goal, because Ethereum and Bitcoin are really the main driving factors here. And what we need is to break this resistance. What we need on Bitcoin is to break this resistance, this purple one. If we can break through the purple one, start trending up here, this is going to be huge. Ethereum needs to break through it, start trading up here. It's going to be huge. And with the S&P, the goal is we can hopefully get back above here. If we see a rally like this or a small run to the upside like that, Bitcoin and Ethereum should fill that in as well. That's pretty much where we're at. That's what you guys have to be paying attention to. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on. I mean, XRP, it's truly just not sitting at the computer focusing and flipping through, all the channels here. It's hard to catch all of these. You know, we do have a Patreon where we post all of our trades. We try to, you know, so if you guys want to partake in that, feel free. I mean, you could send me Instagram DMs. You can message me on Twitter showing me guys your tweets here, you know, of charts that you might have picked up that we didn't see. Feel free. We would appreciate it. We have a Discord too where you can post them. So definitely make sure to check it out. Sign up. You know, it's free. The Discord is down below. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.